First I will go to layers and make 2 copies of my layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Let's call this one texture and this one blur. Go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur and simply hit OK. So we have applied blur on the blur layer. Now select the texture layer, go to image and apply image. Select the blur layer, blending subtract, scale 2 and offset 128 and hit OK. Now change the blend mode of this layer to linear light. Now I will create a new layer between these 2 layers. Select the brush tool. Let's zoom in. Set the opacity to 10. Sample from the near areas and draw on the dark circles. Similarly over here. Let's zoom out a little. So here is the before and here is the after. And this is how you can easily remove dark circles in Photoshop. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like and share.